An IPS appliance is a security control or a countermeasure. It can detect and prevent misuse, abuse of, and unauthorized access to network resources. This is done by using a signature-based approach or behavior anomaly-based approach. Also, a policy or rule-based approach can be used. Other advanced next generation technique can also be implemented, and these include such thing as advanced malware protection or AMP. Any one of these approaches can be used to help you protect your network resources. An IPS appliance can be configured to provide detection or prevention capability to help defend against network attacks. IPS appliances can be integrated into the network in two different ways, and each one requires some special consideration. One of the way to integrate IPS into the network is using promiscuous mode, also known as IDS mode. In this mode, the appliance receive a copy of the network traffic to analyze, while the original traffic continue to flow through the network bypassing the appliance. In promiscuous mode or IDS mode, the appliance is not in line with the actual traffic flow and therefore cannot drop the malicious traffic in line. Within the inline IPS, the appliance is in line with the traffic flow, and if it detects malicious activity, the appliance can then be configured to drop that malicious traffic in the inline. With today's next generation firewall, IPS functionality can also be implemented into the firewall, such as ASA firewalls from Cisco as well as the Firepower service module. Now let's go ahead and take a look at network diagram uh, again and see how this works. In the diagram, you see inline IPS appliance as a separate appliance behind the firewall. The inline IPS appliance is placed behind the firewall so that the traffic is first filtered by the firewall. This approach helps to lessen the traffic load which the IPS appliance need to inspect, and also help to improve IPS performance. You can think of a firewall as being a physical fire door. Once a person like an employee gets through the physical fire door, you may still want to uh, inspect each employee coming through the door to make sure they are not carrying something bad, such as dangerous weapon. In this example, let's say the firewall is configured to only allow HTTP traffic coming in. Then inline IPS can further inspect the HTTP traffic after it is passed through the firewall. Now, for example, that traffic contains malware, the inline IPS with the advanced power protection feature enable can then drop the malware traffic and therefore prevent the malware from infecting the computer resources on the rest of the inside of the network. So this was all from the intrusion prevention system. Next we are going to